This is about the 20th time I've tried to record this video, right? Every time I start, George, who's my parrot, starts giving it large. Hopefully. He's laughing at me now. You see what I mean? It's mad. Right, I'm going to dive into this quickly. Drones, guys. Those of you that saw the last drone video that I put up didn't see the bit at the end where I crashed it. DJI make fantastic drones. I decided to have a little look around and see if there are any other alternatives, and this one came up, and I'm going to unbox it with you right now. Right? Apparently this is the all singing, all dancing, absolute business of a drone, right? So let's have a look. This is the anti-gravity 8K 360 drone. Let's do a very quick unboxing. I actually bought this drone about 3 weeks ago. It's taken me this long, guys, just to open the box up. So it's I've been so busy. So let's have a quick look. This one here, just in case you're interested in buying one, this is not a sponsorship or anything. I paid good money for this. This drone I got from Corte d'Ingles. Corte d'Ingles is in Alicante. So what we get, I've never actually unboxed one of these, so this is going to be very, very different. Okay, box is now empty. So inside here, we've got what looks like instructions. Definitely going to need those. I don't know whether you're the same as me. I tend to read a bit of the instructions, and I just like to work out the rest by myself by playing. Not sure if that's the best idea. Okay, let's open the flap, right? Let's have a quick look. In here, and in here, we have a little pouch, which opens like so. Ooh. Well, this is actually quite cool, look. This, I think, yes, this is the drone. Oh my God. Look, let's get back to this bit last, all right? Here. I'm just worried in case I end up cutting something in half that I'm gonna need. This is the hand controller, right? Now, what I reckon is, I'm gonna show you this thing in action, right? But what I reckon is, I reckon you should YouTube this, because this looks pretty good. I mean, that's sturdy. Look, it's got a jog wheel, obviously for recording, etc. I don't know, I've not actually read the instructions yet, but seems pretty good, all right? So this, remember guys, I'm working blind here. I've never seen this particular machine before, right? What have we got? Oh, these are batteries. So we've got batteries. We've got one battery. This all comes included, all right? So in here, look, we've got 3 batteries. 1, 2, battery charger, and the third battery. The third battery doesn't seem to go into the charger, so you probably have to charge these 2 independently together, and then you probably have to charge this one independently as well. That would not be cool. Oh, look at this, guys. Ooh. And it's funny, I'm actually really surprised, and yet it actually says it on the box. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. What I really liked about the idea of this drone, now, like I said, guys, I've not even seen one in action, is the fact that unlike the DJI, where what I had is I had the screen actually on the controller. You're always looking like this, right? This drone, apparently, when you're wearing these, you're seeing, it's like you're in the air. It's like you're actually flying. You're there in the air. You're not having to look at a screen here. And with the controller, you can control where the drone goes and see as if you were actually flying in the air. So this is the actual visual unit. We've got cables. Well, that looks like a kind of like a carry thing. You know, you just clip that on and you can carry it. Cables, looks like USB-C, I think it is, you call it. And here you've got another cable. Remember, guys, so I haven't actually read the instructions or anything yet, so I've got no idea. These look like they're protectors, or maybe they're just spare lenses maybe for the main unit, or maybe they're just a different type of lens in case your eyesight is different. Here's another kind of thing, little lanyard. In here we have, we've got spare wings. Here's the actual drone. Look at that. How cool is that? So this is the drone. This is the actual drone. This is the anti-gravity drone. This actually looks pretty smart. I like it. And these are the blades that you get the spares of. I would imagine they're probably all the same. It's got cameras all over it, this thing. And weight-wise, it's not bad either. It's not bad. So we've got another battery here. But I'm going to read the instructions. I'm going to work this shit out, right? But 3 batteries, and then there's this. This is now slightly under the weight of what you can fly without a license. So all in all, that's it. What do you think? In the comment section, let me know what you think. I'm going to take it for a fly. I'm going to read the instructions first. I'm going to make sure I don't crash this one straight away. Main components, of course, are your batteries, your controller, of course, which will fly the drone. And of course, this is how you see what's going on. It's through this. Wishing you a fantastic day or night. Always remember, gang, stagmanworld.com. That is my website, stagmanworld.com. Get on and have a look. You'll be, as I always say, glad you did.